Hey guys, welcome to Aviv International Demos. I am basically going to be showing you how I have intertwined my skincare routine into my makeup routine and how I've made it a lot easier. Plus, I've had some of you ladies ask me how I fill my eyebrows in. So I am going to be showing you my little tips and tricks. First, I want to say shout out to Aviv for giving me this bomb skin complexion, because last year, if you used to watch my videos, you know how red my cheeks used to get. I used to be extremely embarrassed almost of them. But since using Aviv's products consistently, my skin complexion has evened out. And honestly, I don't think my skin's ever looked any better. I don't have anything on my face right now. I didn't prep my face with anything this morning because I came in here to do this and I wanted to show you guys how I would do it at home from the beginning. So let's get started. The question I get asked most is what products I use to do my eyebrows. I am gonna do my eyebrows first just because it's easier for me to do my eyebrows and then skincare and the rest of my makeup. The product that I use to start my eyebrows is the e.l.f. brow pencil. It's just a little dual end, so it has a spoolie on this end and then your product on this end. And this is the shade Natural Brown. So I just start, and I always brush my eyebrows to start with and get those hairs put right where I want them. Every time I get started on my eyebrow, I always have to trust the process because they really don't start off looking exactly how I want them to look. Okay, now here's where the process comes in. I take Q-tips and water and just dampen them. And that is how I edge my eyebrows out, because I found that using concealer to do it can cause you to have too much product on your face when you're done. So doing it this way with a clean face keeps all your makeup perfect. So now that they're more defined, I like to make them even more defined just because I'm a freak about it. I don't know. So to do so, I like to take this little guy right here, which is just a little eyeliner brush. And then our foundation shade Kahlua, which is our darkest foundation shade, which is this, which it looks a little light on my hand, but it's perfect as like a dip brow knockoff. So I just take this and add it, put it in the water. And then I like to just fill in the little spots that the pencil didn't get. Okay, so that is how I do my eyebrows. So to start off with the skincare, I go through with the hydrating botanical toner first. I just like to use these little cotton rounds, and I fold mine kind of like in thirds and in half, so I have better control over where I'm putting it so I don't mess my eyebrows up. Then I take a mixture of the CBD oil, the Mud Light cream, Max Tox, and a dab of our soothing salve. So it's gonna look like this little concoction. Then I like to take a couple drops of the CBD oil. And I like to really focus it around my eyes. I pat it into my cheekbones and then down the face, because it's where I have my most issues with redness, and the CBD is an anti-inflammatory and helps reduce redness in your face. I'm going to take my Blink eyeshadow palette, which is my favorite, and I'm going to dip into the color Moonstone, and I'm just going to apply it to the outer corner. This is just going to help bring a little depth to my eye. And then if I want to add a little extra color, I'll take my ring finger and dip into this shade Amber and just kind of really lightly put that on, blend that in, It just also adds a little extra pop to your eye. Now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. And then I always like to start with a primer, so I like to use the L'Oreal Voluminous. Okay, and while that's drying, we're gonna go ahead and line my lips out. I personally like to take 2 colors. This is crazy. And then I use my little lipstick brush, which is just a really small brush. I will be right back to finish doing my face. Okay, so now I have my lipstick on, my eyes are done, my eyebrows are done. I had to go outside and walk the dog, so my cheeks are a little red right now, but I'm going to show you guys how to make that just go away. I am going to use a little bit of my foundation, which is a Aviv International Mineral Makeup Foundation. It is the world's first real Dead Sea makeup. Has over 10% Dead Sea minerals in the makeup. I don't have a whole lot on my brush. You can't really see. It's really not that much. And I'm just gonna kind of buff this over my cheeks a little, just to take down some of the red. And I always like to go under my eye just a little because it helps lighten up those dark circles, so you can see a huge difference. And this is also like a mattifying foundation, so it's not going to leave you all like shiny, as you can tell. I have this problem area like right in here where I have just a little discoloration with some redness. So I just like to take and blot it in right around the area. Boom. That's literally all the foundation that I use because, like I said, my complexion with using these products consistently is so good now. And it's great because when I used to do makeup tutorials, I'd end up with makeup all down here. And I don't now because I don't use that much. It is just amazing. Now, I am going to go through with a little bit of contour, which for my contour colors, I also use foundation shades. I just blend it until I find like my perfect color, and this is a suntan color, which is perfect because it just gives you that like a little bit of darkness and color right where you want it, just like that. And because I'm feeling a little frisky, I'm going to take my contour brush and go through with a little bit of bronzer. It's enough to add a little color. And then my tip is to lighten all this up. Back with a little foundation. I mean like the lightest amount. Blend that all in. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of highlight, like just the tiniest amount. And this highlight that I'm using is the Aviv International highlight in the shade Luminous. I love the way the makeup on my face looks and feels, especially after using the facial products like a primer. What's really awesome about this makeup with the products is that it's going to draw moisture to it, so my skin's not going to get dried out. Like a lot of foundations will either leave you overly oily or it'll leave you like extremely dry. This foundation, along with these products, your skin feels amazing when you take the makeup off. You don't really feel that much of a difference. This makeup helps to correct skin issues considering it does have the Dead Sea minerals in it. Okay, you guys, that's it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.